Hello there, welcome back to my channel, Just Gone Riding. And here I am with another new video for me to share with you guys on the difference between the LED bulb and the stock rear light bulb. The argument here is that basically, which is better? The LED bulb is better or the stock bulb is better? So stay tuned and let's find out. So for my Africa Twin bulb, it consists of this with a twin connector at the bottom. Some consist of a single connector depending on the type of bulbs. But most of it I think will be using this type of connector. Let us try to put it on and see how it compares to the LED bulb. So I've actually pre-installed the LED bulb earlier, so it's very easy to change. So what you need to do is just push in, then twist of it, and you can move it. So this is it. This is another LED bulb that I've just got off the internet. It's quite cheap, I think less than 20 ringgit. So let us try out this one. This is another type where the top of the bulb, you see that it doesn't have a lens, so it doesn't magnify the directional lighting of this LED bulb. Let's try this one. Now let's try to put this on. Smaller LED. So now for my GSX 1100, let's try to install this LED bulb. This is another type. Let's see what's the effect of this. So for this bike, I think I'll be using this LED light because this is safer during the nighttime riding. Alright, there you go. So what's the conclusion? Is LED rear light bulb better or the stock bulb better? Not all LED deliver the same type of performance. Some LED actually delivers worse performance than the stock bulb. If you are thinking to change your rear lights to LED bulbs, go for those with the largest number of LEDs, with the top LEDs and also top lamps. That will give you the best performance.